I care for my vinyl or laminate flooring? Very important in the care and how long your floors are going to last. Vinyl and laminate flooring are very similar, so you care for them pretty much the same way. First of all, you want to make sure if you just have brand new floors or if you have older floors that you do this, put felt pads underneath the legs of the furniture. Very important because your furniture moving back and forth will cause abrasion and will wear down the surface. Any rolling chairs in an office or at a dining room table, you want to protect those floors. Under an office chair, we recommend the glass pads. They're kind of new on the market versus the plastic chair pads. So those are something you want to use underneath all your office chairs. Dining room chairs, you can put if you have rolling chairs, you can put an area rug underneath it, but just make sure you use an area rug pad along with that. How to clean for your floor. Vacuum or sweep regularly. We recommend a product either called ZEP, which is a pH neutral cleaner, or you can make a homemade solution out of baking soda and white vinegar to clean your floors. You can just put it in a spray bottle, spray the floor lightly, and use a microfiber cloth and use that to clean the floors. You don't want to saturate the floors with a bucket of water and a mop. If you do use a mop, make sure it's wrung out very well before you use the mop on it. Let the floor air dry. And that's all you need to do to maintain it. Now, as far as don'ts, do not use ammonia on the floor. It will break down the finish of the floor. Never use polishes or waxes on the floor. I see a lot of people try to make their floor shiny, and A, that will void your warranties. B, it creates such a buildup that you will never be able to get off. And you'll see footprints, and it's a terrible idea. It's not a porous surface like a hardwood is that can absorb those waxes, that it's just going to sit on the surface and create more and more buildup. If you get scuffs on the floor, very easy, just use a little magic eraser pad, and those get off just about any type of scuff that you have on the floors. So with basic regular maintenance, such as mopping your floor or using the spray with the Swiffer, vacuuming or sweeping the floor, your floor will last a very long time. But regular maintenance is imperative. One more thing is do not use steam mops on the floor. I know on the internet you will see that you can use it, but don't. 9 times out of 10, it's going to void your warranty. So very important, do not use steam mops on these floors.